getting our wood ready for the winter. These are logs that we cut some time ago, and now we're splitting them and stacking them. You'll see the stack in just a few minutes. This is what we do for fun around the ranch. That noise in the background, of course, is a tractor, because our splitter is a tractor-driven splitter. That is to say, the tractor doesn't do anything except run. But our splitter is very, very strong, and it uses the tractor hydraulics. So we don't have to have a motor and hydraulic pump and all that kind of stuff. The splitter plugs into the tractor. I'm going to get Diane to go over there. You can see how it all works in just a minute. So the blade is here at this end. I keep that nice and sharp all the time, keep it filed sharp. And then that big cylinder, it looks like to be about at least a 4, maybe a 5-inch cylinder. And it's driven off of the tractor hydraulics. And it's the simplest thing in the world. Runs out like so. And drives the logs up against that big blade. Splits them off like they're nothing. We've had some logs that are so big, we couldn't get them up. We had to go and get the backhoe to put a big hook on the log in order to get to lift the log up off the ground to set it on the splitter. Some big logs. And in a few minutes, I'll take a couple of pictures of our woodshed we have used over the years, and we love it. And after all of that, we also happen to love the wood fire too. We have a wood stove that heats the whole house. And you come into the house and there's a wood fire burning. Nothing like it. It's toasty, it smells good, it's dry, we just love it. So this is an activity we do, keeps us young, which is pretty tricky at my age. But it keeps us feeling young anyway, and we really enjoy it. Probably maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, having fun splitting the wood, snapping, cracking, looking at the wood, enjoying the outdoors. And we got 2 big loads here of firewood. We'll sit down to take over and stack into the wood, so I'll take a picture in just a minute. Anyway, we enjoy it. A lot of fun. Nice day here, middle of June, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.